Guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be playing Do Not Press the Button, or Press the Button. I don't know what the game was called, but just about a button. Alright, I just came in, so I won't be able to play right now, so I have to wait. Man, it should take me a while. You're a cuss? I don't know what that is. Dude, what are you doing here? I'm right now making a video. Ah! You scared me! Whatever. You're a cuss. Oh. The monster won. Alright. Finally, I can push the button. Come on, help me! Take under cover the umbrella!
Oh my god.
This is getting scary! Ah! Oh, I thought that was lava. First one in! Doing well. We're doing great. Okay. Oh, that was me. That was me. Me. Next cover. This is the one. You survived? How did you survive? R.I.P. I mean. F to the chat. F to those people that died. Spam in the comments. F. Oh. Spam F in the chat for those guys who died. Yeah, spam F in the chat. Or I mean the comments, because I'm not streaming right now. Spam F in the comments. Yeah, do it. I did it! Whatever. Still did it. Let me fall down. About this stuff. Making my way downtown. Looking down. 7% that I don't know. Is that how you sing this? Making my way. Say over me again. Enter the mysterious cave. Okay. Oh my god. This is kind of guilty. This looks very safe. Reach to the top. Oh. This time I'll do it again. Hey, let me press the button. Press it. Ah, someone stop me. Hey, you're tasing us. Stop tasing us. Height? Seeker? We're a Seeker? Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, I'm scared. God, you're so fast.
Oh, yeah, I found
No. I'm a Seeker now. Now where's the last?
that guy.
Oh, who?
That girl.
I know. Where is she? I don't see her. Everyone turn to a Seeker. Yes. What is this mysterious drink? I never tried it. Click it. Flower is so slow. You have low health, but you're lagging. No, don't tell me I'm disconnected. No. No, don't tell me. Don't tell me I'm disconnected. I'll be right back, guys. So it turned out, guys, that I got disconnected. But anyway, let's continue playing. Survive the following paths. Oh. Okay, I'll be careful. Oh, okay. Let's not go out. No. Wait. No. Wait. I figured it out. I'll drop here because I know the button is down in the middle. You guys just don't believe me. Because I played these games before. You see? Yes, I do it. Get ready. Yeah! I'm the Boxer King. Revive. Again, one of these kind of games? Pizza! Oh. Oh my god. No. Wait. Ah! Oh, we survived. We survived, but we're gonna die. We survived. Little bro and big bro. Alright, this is it. I know this one. Wait, same color again? Oh yeah, right. Same color again? Wait, no, it's a different color. Different color. No! Okay, so I new color. Oh, let's go. Oh, yellow. Okay. Blue. No! I know they kicked me. What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? That cheater. Okay. All right. Hey, jump. This is easy. We're in the red team. Oh, wait, there's blue team. Don't worry, we're the best at parkour, right? I mean at jumping. So this should be a piece of cake, right? Come on. We're doing this. Come on. Go red. No! Go red team. Oh, go red team. I know. Oh yeah, I forgot. Or I'm gonna jumper man it so. No, you stupid to the lava. Dude, they're cheaters. They're cheaters. You're cheating. It's not fair. Go and cheat to the end. You sure you should do it? No. We can continue. No. Ow. Come on! Yes! First one to win! Let's climb on the statue! You're dead. Aren't you? Come on. Do that with mermaids! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! You did it! Come on! I'll call you moving it. My hand? No, even a line? No, not on mine. But hey, I like you won! I like how you hung. Jump over the laser. Huh. Easy. Hopefully it doesn't lag. Oh. No, I did not see that! Oh, I didn't see that coming. Yeah, but you still didn't win. Jump over all lasers, all great lasers. Jump, 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 jump. Up, up. How did I die? Good. Press the button. On your mark, 3, 2, 1, go! But how is that guy going so fast? I'm finished in 6th place? What the heck? 68. Yes, I did it. I was the first one to complete it. Yes! You still didn't do it? Mine was house number 68. House number 68. It's really easy. What is that? Also, why are your hands blue? Why are your hands blue? What the foot? Reach the bottom. Oh, bottom. Wait, some of those droppers. Dropper. I like droppers. Do you like droppers? Why are we going very slow? This is literally so easy if we're going so slow, right? This is so damn easy. Oh, that's still easy. Ah, piece of cake. Well, it was obviously easy. Get the notification. I'll check them out later. It's a notification I got from YouTube. I'll check on it later. I don't know, but I'll check on it later. Remaining. Don't fall off and avoid obstacles. Oh! No! It's the guy, it's Decker who's cheating, right? I gotta use this to everyone. right? I don't understand. I'm faster than you. What are you talking about? I'm faster than you. Wait, how did you do that? Wait, Running while looking backwards. Oh, no! Complete the obvious to build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Snowman has been built. Me too. Reach the other side. Why are you going so damn slow? There, I did it. Come on, bro, make it. Mr. Darky, why don't you not feel so dark at all? That can't cut. God, why are you all blue skinned? Well, I'm not blue skinned too. Wait, what the hell happened to my dinos? Where am I? A dinosaur? Let's get this one first. Catch level 2. Level 2. Where is he? Over here. No. Oh. Get to the top. Ah, no! But I am breaking apart the floor. No! No, who the hell is doing that? Dalv, it's Dalv Hammond. Hey, Dalv. Better stop cheating. We did it. The Dino Bros. Yes. Hey, Belly, stop. Boom. 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 Yeah, you know what? That'll be another video. Hey, feed the giant noob. I think it means we'll be eaten by him, right? Come on, eat me. Eat me. Please, I just wanna die. See someone kill me. Please, it's open time. Yes, it's normal. Oh, but the muffins. Please, I wanna die. You want to see the dino? I prefer being a person. Oh my god, please look weird. Ha! The dino died. No! You deserved it. Dino didn't deserve any of this. And only one dinosaur is actually extinct because dinosaurs are extinct. This is what they deserve. To be extinct forever, but there's only one left in the world. Is that Masha? God. What the? The hell? I just got killed by the pumpkin. And I spawned right to him. Really spawned right to him. I'll guide you on where the pumpkin man is. He's over there behind you! He's behind you! Run away! Go to Dino! He's behind you! He's behind you! He's behind you! He's behind you! Run away! You're dead! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Hey there. Oh, looks like you died. Can I just tell you something? Come back here. Come back here. You're right. Wait, how are you flying? That's the question. I've always wondered why we're flying. Oh, that's really strange. Wait, I think that's because there's an invisible wall or invisible ground under us. We're standing on it. Oi, I found a joke. Mr. Dark. You're living in the dark. Go to the end. Easy. Okay. I don't care about some coin. Oh, no. Yes, I won! I won, but I'm still in the beginning. I wonder why. So easy, you suck? Ha! What are you going to do? Yeah, you're doing well. You're doing well. Yeah. You go that side. You go that side. No, you're not supposed to jump. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Yeah. Just don't go forward. Go that side. Yeah. No! Okay. Go that. Too late. You lost, buddy. Huh? What? What do you mean, huh? Oh! But we could have died if someone stepped on it. Whoa, we're huge! Look at me. Look at me, I'm absolutely huge. But I'm very buff. Come here, what the hell's going on? God, I think we're escaped from queso! That's why we're raising the bridge! That's why we're raising the bridge! That's right! That's everyone's here. I am your king. What is going on? Oh, this game. Yes, I like it so much. Now look, who's going to? I'm not going to go to the top. No, go down. I shall be in the top. No. Me too. No, I'm not gonna let you. No. I know the reason why we should just jump. The best. No. 10 seconds? No! Did that happen? No! Get out of the way, Gunlord! No! Yes! That's what you mean. I'm gonna win finally! Yes! I'm gonna get the most free time! Come on! No! Yes, I won! Yes, I got 19 points! Ow! What the hell's going on? Stop the fire or the barrel will explode.
No, we got to hold the fire like this.
Oh, touch it! You gotta touch it.
It's not the way you
Now touch it.
No, that's the way
Oh, no! No! Stop looking at that low, girl! Only one bridge is safe. Let's check. No.
This one.
It's this one, you're right. What? What do you mean? It was correct. You're right, it's correct. Yeah. I'll kill myself because of that. See you later. What the hell? Under the map.
Yo, see you later. Yo, I'm in your map. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the void. Yo, that's the map.
You're right. So tell me that we're under that this whole time? That's crazy. So our lives has been fake this entire time?
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Hey, why can't I be smart?
Knowledge.
There, I'm
Knowledge.
smart now.
No-
See? I'm
smart.
find a bloxicle.
One box of cola. I found a second one.
You know, you don't even need to.
I found a third one.
You don't even need. Oh! And to check that. Die. So good. Bloxicle. I wish this was actually real. I wish this was. What the hell? What happened to it? Oh, we were the only ones who survived. Out of here.
I have two boxes of colas.
Check for the mummy. Oh, wait, it's a mummy. You're dead? You're dead?
Okay, I'm with to death. Muhammad.
You're. Wherever my brother said, I'm clearing that off. Yeah, I'm clearing that off. Wherever my brother said, I'm clearing it off. Yeah. Not a baby. What makes you a baby? I'm your warrior. This is cool. You can see that because the screen is I have a better version of it. It's way better. A giant volcano. Watch out. I think that should be it for this video. I think I can record for a while for now. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, bell notifications on so you won't miss another video.
See ya!